What you waiting for? Look at that. I've got the arbor, not an auger, arbor. I think it's an arbor. And I've got a new bit. Now, as any clown knows, hey, if it's got diamond bits on here, then you just spin it. You don't put it on hammer action, do you? No. But you can get hammer action ones. And it doesn't matter, so far, which one you use, they have all broken. Whether it's been on drill mode, hammer mode, or throw it at the wall mode, they've all broken. But we're gonna try again. We've got to get in there and do a waste for, what's it for? Washing machine. Of course it is, for the washing machine. So in there, washing machine, we've got the power there. We need the water connection in there. We need the waste pipe in there. And then the job is a good one. It says that a washing machine drain height should be between 40 and 100 centimeters high. So the midpoint of that is what, 70? So it stood on there. 70's there. So that's 70. And 60 is there. So there's your 60, there's your 70. The thing that I need to remember is that one goes outside, so I need to come down on a line underneath and core through at a similar sort of point. All right, here's the plan. We've got this that I've been told by various people, thank you very much, that we need to have a fatter pipe on here, so we'll upgrade that pipe. But if we can just put this pipe in, upgrade it to that, then we can tee in the washing machine waste, and we can add in that boiler condensation overflow escape waste thing in there as well. At which point, hopefully, we kill two birds with one stone. Yeah, I need to find the laser to make sure I get that level and get it on the same line as the other one, so I core through in the right spot, so that this is vertical. Because if it's like that, it'll look not quite right. So let's find the laser. What the hell did I do with it? Oh, it might be still in the car. Right, laser's on. Let's have a look. Here we go. So that's where we need to have it, on that line there. So I'm going to mark it up so that we can core through. Well, it may be that these diamond bit things you got to just spin, not hammer. But I'm out of breath because they're rubbish against these bricks. absolute rubbish. And when you look at the drill bits, they've got maximum speeds. And I'm not going industrial to drill one little poxy hole. All I'm saying is, these bricks are not easy. Not easy. And it might be worth sacrificing it on hammer to try and get through the things. Anyway, we'll carry on. We will carry on. All I can say is that if Jules Verne had had to go through these bricks, it wouldn't have been Journey to the centre of the earth. It would have been Journey to about 4.5 inches below the surface of the earth. Flipping heck. I'm not even through one brick yet. My arms are vibrating. I'm gasping for breath. I haven't moved anywhere. All I'm doing is pushing. These diamond drills, rubbish. Spinning it, rubbish. Hammer action, rubbish. I might try the hammer action on it actually, because the spinning is absolute garbage. It's amazing, isn't it? These bricks are actually harder than the diamond on the tip. When will it end? When will it end? Lying flat on your back on a cold floor doesn't help. Well, actually, it does help. It's actually preferable. Man alive! I think we've gone through the first brick. That's really warm. In fact, it's quite hot. That is heavy as well. That's really, really heavy. So it's a very dense, uber-fired brick that has been my nemesis, my bête noire in this house. I think I've just got one more course of bricks to get through. There we are. There's no light at the end of that tunnel. And even if there was, I think it might be the train coming at you. We're gonna keep going, but my arms are shaking and aching. Yeah. Oh, hate it. And that just looks brilliant. It absolutely smashes bricks.
I really hope that is my last wall to core through, because I have had it. Hate it. There's a few things I hate. Do you know, funnily enough, majority are related to plumbing.
I hate it.
I hate it. That is a beautiful sight. I think we're done. I hope so anyway. I hope so. Well, the coring has worked. If you like a brick that explodes, and I did it with a small drill bit to try and do it, and to try and drill it this way. Anyway. That's the end result. Now, when I look around the houses alongside, you can see that nobody really has managed to do it nicely. In fact, that one up there that I did is possibly the finest bit of coring on this row of houses ever seen. Because everything else has got big bit of cement around it where they've had to patch it in as it's come through and blown. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6, 7, and some of them are hidden, so I can see 7 other attempts to core out where they've made a pig's ear of it. So it is not easy, my dear friend. However, there were some comments about the waste coming out, the condensation, so I've put that into a bigger pipe, and I have teed in where the washing machine water will come out. So what we've got: boiler, washing machine, and out. I haven't yet fixed it to the wall, but you get the idea. Much better. And I know that the argument was on here that this pipe was too small and regulations say it could freeze. Yeah, good. I like that. Well done, bestie. Okay, hang on to your hats, ladies and gents, because up here Matt has been doing some plastering apparently.
Yeah, look, I did this section. We're waiting to let it dry a bit because it's still quite wet before we flatten it.
Okay.
So that's what we've done.
Right, you need to give that a go now.
No, it's not. No, I've been told not to.
No, I know. That's not polishing. That's just getting it semi-flat.
It is semi-flat.
Right, let's have a quick go. Hold on. Okay, so a couple of quick tips there for Matt, and he's now
that looks better. So that looks that looks better.
Much better, doesn't it? So really, you're just trying to get rid of. This is how I look at it. You're trying to get rid of the big mistakes, the big holes, the big gaps, the big dents, the big blobs. Yeah?
Yeah. Right.
Okay, and when you're happy with that, you let it go off a bit more until it's almost hard, and then you can polish it. Now the temptation is to keep going.
I know.
Don't.
Let me just get these corners.
All right. But good effort. This is good. Well done. Well done.
Okay, right, I'll leave that. So I'll let it go off now.
Yeah, just keep coming back, touching it with your fingers, sort of thing. and just see if it gives or whether it's, you know, solid.
Well, what a surprise. What a Brucey bonus there. Matthew doing a little bit more plastering. And it's like any of these skills, any of these things, it's practice, isn't it? It's purposeful practice. So practice things that, you know, work. And for that, you need someone to tell you. So we always love people telling us some of the things that we need to do. So today with the pipe work, that's kind of putting into place what people said. Hey, Nige, you need to do this, do that, or whatever. So, yeah, the only thing that I disagree with is coring out through our bricks, because nothing works on that. It really doesn't. It's shocking. Anyway, all good stuff, and we will be back as we do more in the kitchen. Matt's going to do more up here. The painter and decorator might make a rare appearance and do some, yeah, might. But in the meantime, we'll see you soon as we come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, this is especially for Tracy, who thinks that you'll never join in. We're going to escape to the dream house. Tracy, I still can't get him to do it.
When the house is finished.
When the house is finished, he says. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.